Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Leo fire sign, and this reading is from August 1st to August 10th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Leo, your messages. What's the messages for you? Eight of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. You walked away. You decided to walk away. You decided to moving on. But some communication is coming in your way, and there is a chance for new beginning. Ace of Wands. Or you want some new beginning in your life after this walked away from this connection for some. So let's see some more messages. King of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, Justice. Yes, I think you feeling very burdened and depressed due to I think the whole in this connection, the whole burden and the whole responsibility is only the person taking. You. That's why you want to walk away from this situation, because you person not putting effort as much as you. That's why you already made decision. Justice. You cut them off, but you person want new beginning with you. They want to now offer long-term commitment, but you decided almost to walk away. So let's see. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune. Things are turning in your favor, Leo. King of Cups, Ten of Swords. Yes, some cycles are ending. You are going to be end the cycles with this person, or some cycles between both of you. For some, you totally cut your person off. For some, you are ending some cycles between both of you. Even if your person want to offer this love, you want to ending some cycles, because some cycles endings. Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords means rebirth also. Some new cycles are going to be begin for some. Wow, Page of Cups. Yes, your person want to say apology to you what they did to you past. But yes, communication. Eight of Wands. You are going to receive back and forth communication from your person. Two of Wands. Yes, you are thinking about that communication, that apology, but what to do, what not to do, it's up to you, because you already decided to walk away. But if you want a new beginning with your person, definitely there is a chance, because your person want a new beginning with you. They want to communicate you and they want to apologize you. It's in your hands now, Leo, because the decision maker in this relationship is you now. So let's see your person energy little bit, what they're thinking and what they want. Flowering, Queen of Pentacles, the burden, Six of Swords. This could be long distance relationship. Communication is coming. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio also. Totality, Five of Wands. Yes, there are some issues. Clinging to the past. Yes, your person feeling sad without you. They are thinking about you a lot and feeling sad for this separation. Wow, the Lovers. Definitely there is love between both of you, and under the deck, harmony. They want happiness with you. They want this harmony with you. So they want definitely reconciliation with you. They are some communication is also coming. So Leo, it's up to you. Hierophant. Yes, they want to commit this time seriously. So what they did to you past, they want to apologize. So it's up to you. You are the decision maker this time, Leo. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.